the unbelievable happened to me, finally, and I got it all on video. What's going on, y'all? Hope you've been living right. Today's video, I break out the old KGB Chad Shad all day. Go big or go home. Now, I did break out other baits. They didn't want to bite it. All they would react to is the glide, and I made it happen. Bass, pike, and another fish. No one has video proof they catch these fish on this bait, but I do. Finally got it, and I'm stoked. The video, it's a bit lengthy, and I apologize for that. It explains everything that I got going on throughout the entire day, where I'm finding them, how I'm seeing them, and I actually put the forward-facing clips like I did in the last video up there. And I apologize, they are coming off my chesty, so sometimes the angles ain't right, my rod's in the way, my finger's in the way, but it gives you a great sense of where the fish are coming from and how they're reacting to the bait and what I'm doing to get them to bite that bait. It's a great video. I hope y'all enjoy it. If you hate forward-facing sonar, you're just gonna have to leave, or just suck it up. Watch the video. Don't watch the forward-facing sonar stuff. And yeah, just comment and let me know what you think, especially of that unbelievable moment, not once, but twice. And it wasn't luck. First time I consider it luck or stretch of luck, but I did it twice in the same day. So I think I figured something out. We're gonna expand on that next year, but I'm gonna shut up and let y'all get into this video. Here we go. All right, coming up to my first shoreline here. Water still has that greenness to it. It hasn't really cooled down enough. Yeah, it really hasn't cooled down enough this year to get rid of the algae bloom that's in it. But yeah, we'll go with it. Lipless bait is exactly what we're going to start off with. Things work better if you turn them on. Water temps are a little lower. That's good. They're 47, 46, depending where you're at. Boat ramp said 48, 49, and it's lowering down, so see if we got a bass on my tree. I think I got a little one. First bass of the morning right there. I'm a lipless. Not the monster I'm looking for on this tree, but it's a good sign. Thank you, buddy. Right when I got to my log over here, that little booger hit. Not the 4 and 5 pounders that I hook off of it in the past, but it's an upside. It means there's something there hovering around it. It's a full moon as well, so hopefully the bite doesn't die relatively quick and it stays going. But those big baits, they'll call them up. We'll be able to tell real quick what happens with this feeding mood today. All right, let's go with a glide. Let's try to pull something up. There's a blob.
bunch of stuff came up to it on the backside. There we go. Something chased it. He's still after it. All right, we got fish on the point. Dead on the point. He raced right off the top of the point for it. Interesting. Ton of bait on the backside. A lot of movement following it. There we go. I'm on spot lock and I got one. There we go, on the glide. Go big or go home, right? Stay down, stay down. I've been having a hard time keeping them pinned. He got it. He freaking got it. Hell yeah. Crushed the hell out of it too. Look at that. Got both sets of hooks. Hell yeah. Looks like a solid 3.5, 3 3/4. Did it without scoping. But whatever. I don't know. Try to finish the year out strong. I mean, that's a solid fish. All right, gotta be a solid 3, right? Let's turn it. 311. Hell yeah. On the glide. Thank you, girl. Oh, it's freaking awesome. They seem to be up a little shallower on this point. Make another cast up there. Another one ate it right there. I think that might be a northern. I don't know. But he crushed the hell out of it. Hopefully it's a bass. Nope, northern. Yeah, I kind of figured it did northern things. Dang it. It's wrapped around my rod. There we go. Thank you, buddy. Most definitely did northern things. Seemed to be right up here. A little bit higher on the point. I think I got something chasing it. I do. Something come flying for it. There we go, we got him. I saw him. Something screaming for it. Is it a northern or another bass? It's another bass. Hell yeah. Saw something scream off the bottom for it. And we got him. He just barely nipped it. A little 2-pounder. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. That was freaking awesome. So, getting them on the glide. Phenomenal glide bait bite, really. Let it go down. This is the hardest part about glide bait fishing, is waiting for it to get down to the depth you want it without weighting it. I like running this bait at least 3 foot off the bottom. Seems to be the sweet spot, really. We gotta slide back up. They're sitting up higher on this point, and they really do chase, but they're sitting shallower than I thought they'd be. Here we go. Came straight up off the bottom for it, but then missed it. I think it's a northern. Could be wrong though. There we go. I think that one's a northern though. It is. Yeah, I think those are all northern now. I mean, he's big. Decent. Big head, little body. I think I've caught you before. All right. If my hunch is right, they're all gonna be northern sitting up here. Maybe a bass or two. Mostly northern though. The way that one came up off the bottom, I knew it right away. So that tells me the other ones I had seen are gonna be northern as well. There we go, we got, I think that one's a bass. I think this one's a bass. I think this one is a bass. It feels good too. He just came chasing it. There he is. There he is. He was a little higher in the column. Took a swat at it and I got him on the side of the face. Right at the mouth though. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I know the sun's on the main camera, but bass number 2 all the way. I think he's right at 2.5. 2 3/4. Little guy, nice. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so they are definitely eating a glide. So what I've learned is they're sitting about 16, 18 foot deep. On this part over here on the hump, they're a bit shallower. So we got a mixture of northern and bass. The northern seem to be on the bottom. The bass seem to be kind of two places, top and bottom of the column. Just gotta figure out which one the bass are gonna be and target them. I think I might have picked them all off, but we're gonna move up to the point, try it. Casting on the back side of the point now, bringing it over. Followed it out. Great. Oh, come on. Oh. All right, he hit it that time. Let's change it up. Let's try a different glide. Let's try the shad colored one. He actually whacked the hell out of it that go around. And that is a bass. I think it's a nice bass. It's gonna be close to 4 pounds. It's gotta be close to 4 pounds. That is a bass. That's a northern. Ah, freaking A. I saw him coming and I tried getting it away. I paused for a second and he grabbed it, headshotted it. Big northern. Crap. All right, nothing's really moving on the draw. There is a big northern around, so I don't want to throw my swim bait. Last thing I want to do is lose this one. That's a bass. That's not a northern. That was a bass. They really will go after these glide or the chad shads. That's what they want. Dang it, I can't stay on it. There we go. That's another bass. Yeah, oh yeah, you got to get it over the point and bring it in. No, it's a freaking northern. I should have figured when I didn't see it, when it came out of nowhere, really. Nobody. There he is. Dang it. Thought it was a bass. I'm getting murked by northern. Then again, it was a full moon, so hopefully the bass didn't turn off and the northern turned on. That's what I'm hoping didn't happen. 3 big blobs running the bob. Those are definitely bass, but they seem to be disengaged. Slide up, fish the other side real quick, then move on. All right, we're gonna move on to the next point. Might as well. I think we caught everything we could over there. Slide up to this back side of this point. Where I'll catch them normally is over here. But it kind of shoots up right here and it's got a little lip and a hard spot on it. And the bass do like to conjugate over here every now and then. Matter of fact, the last time I was out here, I pulled a couple up off the bottom with a glide. There we go. I got something. Hopefully it's not a northern that came off the bottom. Oh boy. Look at that big old girl. Yes. All right, they're belly to bottom. I mean, she's not huge. She's close to 4, but we did it on the glide. Out a bit deeper. So I can get them to eat. They only want this glide. 3.5. 353. Thank you, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Freaking glide. Getting it done. Just random out here. Bouncing around. All right, there's 2 of them there. Both seem to be pretty motivated to eat something. There it is. Let me go down. Oh! He hit it. All right. They're gonna eat. They will eat. Just didn't put a hook in them. He thumped the bejesus out of it too. All right. I'm not sure what's going on. Full moon, I think, has a big effect with it. They fed all night, fed first thing this morning, and now they're shutting off. It's only 9:45, so not looking good. This point had 2, I want to say, on it. Couldn't get them to really take. Caught that one right over here off to the side at 3.5. We're gonna go out to a rock pile, try it for a little bit. They don't want nothing to do with a crankbait anymore. They don't want to hit a lipless. I can't get them on a blade. So we're going to try a different spot, see if we can't coach a couple up without losing a lure to a northern. So there he is. He's directly under it. There we go. We got that. Is it a bass or a northern? Out here at the tree. A tree that I've never fished this time of year. Is it a bass or a northern? There was two of them, so I'm hoping bass. No. Big old northern. Oh wait, no, that's a freaking walleye. That's a giant freaking walleye. Holy crap. Sheesh. Another tagged walleye. Holy crap. And I did it on a freaking glide. I mean, I always figured it'd be possible, but the fact that I could do it is incredible. Look at that. Holy crap. He ate that. Look at that. Hell yes. He is long too. Gotta get this out of his face. I don't have a board this long, but I'll make the best of what I got. There we go. Got him freaking unhooked. Oh God, he devoured that glide. $28, 27 3/4. 27 3/4. Oh my God. Give or take. All right, we got her. We're gonna get her back. 27 3/4 of an inch. There she is. There she goes. That is a massive freaking walleye out here. Oh my God, and I did it on a freaking glide. Whew. Two more. Wow, those are big. I don't know what they are, but they are big. Oh, that's why it didn't run right. It fouled up. Ah, smoked it. I don't know what's so turned on about this area, but I think I found something. Found something. I don't know. I think they might all be walleye, not even bass. There we go. We got that. I don't know what it is. I think that was a northern though. I think this was a northern. Yep, sure enough was. Oh, came out here for bass, but oh, I'm having fun with all the fish hanging out on this thing. There he is. Get him on the hook. Later, bud. There we go. Got something else. I don't know if it's a bass or northern or walleye. I do not know. See whiteness. Bass. Yes. Yes. All right. Finding a couple here and there. So I'm starting to wonder if the bass are mixed in with the walleye are mixed in with the bass over here in this area. There we go. He's gonna be just fine. Nice offshore guy. So I got bass out here and they're out here feeding on stuff, sitting on the bottom as well. 3-pounder, 3.09. Later, bud. Yeah, and it's all on the glide. Just kept throwing and throwing and throwing over here. I see larger marks and I thought they were all crappie, but I don't think they are. Casting out on the front side of the tree. The tree's like right over there. I'm casting on this side of it and they come off the bottom, so they're cruising around this tree, I'm assuming. All I can see are bait fish, what I appear to be bait fish down there, and I let the glide get down about 3-4 foot off the bottom and they come up. Like a little ditch or something right here too. What are you? There we go. I don't know what that is, but it hit it. Another freaking walleye. Holy crap. Got another freaking walleye. Oh my God. Oh my God. This one's got a giant spot on the side of him. Hold still, buddy. Hold still. I ain't got my net out. Got a hell of a growth on him. Check that thing out. Another big walleye on a glide. Holy crap. Check it out. He's got a giant knot on the side of him for some reason. Whew. Let's try to get a rough measurement on this one as well. Gonna be not so easy with that giant knot on the side of him. 24, 26, something like that. Giant growth on him. Ugh. Later, buddy. Thank you. It's walleye number 2 on the glide. Hell yes. Not expecting that. Can you believe it? 2 big old freaking walleyes. That's freaking incredible. On a glide.
on a freaking glide. Yeah, as it sits, that was the pinnacle of my year right there. But I'm gonna sit here in my boat and cry for the rest of my day because I gotta put her away. Unfortunately, winter is on its way this weekend and we are done open water fishing. We'll be putting out some ice fishing stuff, so y'all hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to keep going with the ice fishing stuff as it pops out. I do suck at fishing, but I'm trying to get better a little bit more, you know, suck less every time I go out. So I'm gonna end it here. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Till next time, y'all keep living right.